Okay, you guys, so a little quick update on the daily compound, where this series we buy fractional shares and sometimes whole shares to capture those dividends, reinvest the dividends. But once the dividends get big enough, there is a strategy instead of reinvesting the dividends where you take that capital from the dividend you received and you deploy it and buy growth stocks instead of dividend stocks. But you can buy other dividend stocks too. But what you're trying to do is take that dividend income and capture that growth income. And then once those growth stocks hit a certain profit target you may set, you can take all the profits from that and turn around and buy another dividend stock that will pay you a large dividend. You just rinse and continue to repeat this process. That's one of the things that we're going to show in this video over time. It's going to take time to grow the portfolio, but if you guys get here early enough, get started on your own, pick out your own dividend paying stocks. Don't follow me. I'm not a professional investment advisor. This is just one strategy you can use. Now, the reinvest dividend strategy is also a good way to do it because obviously it compounds and snowballs over time. But if you take those dividends and had you been capturing a growth stock like Amazon, Microsoft, Nvidia, any of these stocks that have had a lot of growth, imagine how much more money you would have if you realized all the profits from that growth of those stocks. You're just like, wow, I'm up 500% on Microsoft, 600%. I mean, it just really depended on when you got in, right? But back when Microsoft was like $25 a share, and today it's nearly $500 a share. So you guys get the idea behind taking those dividends and deploying them into growth stocks instead of reinvesting the dividend. That's one thing that we're going to do on this account. I've been seeing a lot of people on YouTube that are like, hey guys, live off your dividends. And then they show you how much money you need to have invested to live off your dividends. And then they want you to sign up for their class to learn how to do this. You don't need to pay anybody anything to learn about dividends, you guys. The information is 100% free online. Don't get buffaloed by one of these coaches online. I will release as much information as you want for free. If you have a question, comment down below. But remember, these are always only my opinions. I'm not a professional, and you just got to put that disclaimer out there. You shouldn't follow me. You should do your own research and decide for yourself what your risk level is and what you want to buy. Anyways, we're going to make an investment on this tomorrow when the stock market opens and buy some more, and we'll get that video out there too. Thanks for watching, guys.